Hello, and welcome to today's ClassClac tutorial on regressions. As we can see in our Advanced Statistics menu, ClassClac has the ability to regress data against several different types of models, including linear, polynomial, which includes quadratic, cubic, etc., exponential, and logarithmic. Let's start off with a linear regression. The first input takes the x values of all your data, and the second input takes the y values. As we can see here, as soon as a regression is plotted, its line of best fit is displayed on the graph, along with its equations and its statistics, including r and r squared. Instead of typing the values directly, we can also regress the columns of a table. To quickly regress our y column against our x column, we can hold press the color dot and tap the linear regression quick action. When plotting a regression, I also have the option to toggle on the residuals. Once toggled, the residuals will be plotted on our graph and their values inputted into our table. Next, let's regress our data against some polynomial models. By default, our polynomial regression is set to a degree of 2, making it quadratic. However, I can change it to a 3rd degree cubic model, or a 4th degree, or so on. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassCalc tutorial. For more, visit classcalc.com/tutorials.